Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to not pushing a button while talking. I mean, you don't need to push any button for talking. You talk straightly and it will broadcast straightly. So I'm going to show you how. Go to Discord first. Then you can see here user settings. Click on this. Then go to voice and video. Where is this one? Voice and video. Then you can see here two options: input method, voice activity, which is normal, and if you click on this, that's when you have to push any button or key while talking. So if that it is, then you have to change it to voice activity. That will be normal. Now you can talk freely, you don't have to push any button. So guys, this is how you can do these settings. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.